Hello friends, my name is Tarun and today I am going to explain how to prepare a Pareto chart. Pareto chart was invented by Vilfredo Pareto. He was an Italian economist and according to him, 20% of people of the society have 80% of economic. This was further incorporated to business houses and it became a Six Sigma rule. Now it says that 80% of defects are caused by 20% problems in production. This chart is used to identify those 20% problems. Let's see how to prepare this chart. Here we have been given our quality failure reasons and their frequencies. Now, in order to prepare this chart, what I need a cumulative frequency. How I will prepare the cumulative frequency? Let's see this. Here, I will take this field. Then, here, I will take this field plus I will add this field. Now, again in the same way, I will take this field plus I will add this field. Again I will take this field, I will add this. So here I have calculated the cumulative frequency. Now I have to calculate the percentage of cumulative frequency. How can I calculate it? Select this field divided by this total sum of frequency. I will freeze this sum by pressing F4. Simply enter and I will control D. So my data is ready now to prepare a Pareto chart. Now select these two things, quality failure reason and frequency, and the percentage. Now go to insert and select any 2D clustered column chart. So your chart will look like this way. Now my secondary chart should be a line chart. In order to convert this into a line chart, what I will do, I will select this secondary axis. Now what I will do, I will right click this one. I will go to format data series. Format data series, in series option I will change this to secondary axis from primary axis. Now again right click this chart, go to change series, chart type. Now I will change the chart type to line chart. So it will look like this way. Now I will click this line. I will right click this and I will add data labels. Again I will right click this one. I will select format data. Again I will right click this one. I will select format data labels and I will click above. Now I will make it bit bold and will increase the data label size to 12 so that it is properly visible. Now what I will do next, I will erase this one. My Pareto chart is ready now. I just have to design this one only. Go to format, select the design type which you want. Now again I will go to format. I will select this inner design. Now I will go to layout layout, I will erase this grid line. So my Pareto chart is absolutely ready. My Pareto chart is ready now. Now, this chart reflects that 80% of the problems are due to three main reasons, which are incomplete documentation, KCI not done, and validation not done. So this is how I prepared a Pareto chart. I hope you like this learning today. Thank you and bye bye.